Manaswi.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Manaswi.
What is your school name?
My school name is Kidz.
Which class are you studying in?
I am studying in UKG.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Satish Kumar.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Lakshmi Durga.
What is your sister's name?
My sister's name is Daishini.
Tell the one story in English.
Once a fox was very hungry. He searched for food. At last he saw a bunch of grapes hanging from grapevine. Wow! Those grapes look delicious, and I'm so hungry. So he jumped and jumped, but he could not reach the grapes. They were too high. At last,
So fox got angry.
the fox got angry. He went ahead. Those grapes looked
They
probably very good. I couldn't reach them.
Tell any rhymes in English. 2 rhymes.
చుక్కురాయి వస్తుంది దూరం దూరం జరగండి ఆగినాక ఎక్కండి జోజో బాబా ఏడవకు లడ్డు మిఠాయి తినిపిస్తా కమ్మని పాలు తాగిస్తా.
Okay, next one. Upashanda.
ఉప్పచ్చంద గర్ల్ గర్ల్ నీ చేయత్తి గర్ల్ గర్ల్ మమ్మీకి రోటీ గర్ల్ గర్ల్ పాపాకి పైసి గర్ల్ గర్ల్ హమ్మీ గర్ల్ తుమ్మి గర్ల్ సారే నిన్య గర్ల్ పటోల్.
Okay. We are going to recognize alphabets, okay? You say English. What is the spelling of apple?
APPLE apple.
What is the spelling of cat?
CAT cat.
What is the spelling of fan?
FAT fan.
What is the spelling of fan? F-A-N, fan.
FAN fan.
What is the spelling of hat?
HAN
H-A-T.
hat.
What is the spelling of kite?
KAT kite.
What is this picture?
Carrot.
What is this picture?
Brinjal.
What is this picture?
Tomato.
What is this picture?
Lady fingers.
What is this picture?
Cabbage.
What is this picture?
Potato.
What is this picture?
Onions.
We are going to Hindi, okay? You say Hindi letters. What is this picture? A se?
Anar.
A se?
Am.
E se?
Imali.
E se? E se?
Eek.
U se?
Ullu.
U se? Okay. ये आई से?
Ainak.
खा से?
Kharbuj.
खा से?
Kharbuj.
Okay. We are going to maths. That one additions. We do additions. Okay. 8 plus 1 how much? You take one finger. 8 of the number?
8 after number 9.
You write here 9. 8 plus 1 how much?
9.
8 plus how much? 8 plus 1?
9.
Okay. 4 plus 4? You take 4 fingers. For after number?
3.
For after number?
5.
5 after number?
6.
6 after number?
7.
7 after number?
8.
You write here 8. 4 plus 4?
8.
4 plus 4?
8.
Okay. 2 plus 2? You take 2 fingers. 2 after number?
3.
3 after number?
4.
2 plus 2?
4.
You write 4. Right. Okay, show me 2 plus 2. How much?
4.
Okay. 4 plus 2. You take 2 fingers. 4 after number?
5.
5 after number?
6.
4 plus 2?
6.
Big 6. Big 6. You say, you write properly. 4 plus 2?
6.
Okay. We are going to Telugu, okay? You say Telugu. Ante?
Amma.
Ante?
Avu.
Iyante?
Illu.
Iyante?
Iya.
Uante?
Udata.
Uante?
Uyala.
Hante?
Kappa.
Gante?
Padava.
Gante?
Gadiyaramu.
Chante?
Chakramu.
Jante?
Jada.
Thante?
Tala.
Okay, good girl. Okay. You say slokas in Sanskrit. Asatoma Satyam.
Asatoma. Satyam.
Sadgamaya.
Sagamaya.
Tamasoma.
Tamasoma. Jyotirgamaya.
Mrityuma.
Nrityama.
Okay. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, you know, na?
Yes. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma,